Hey guys, it's Jennifer and today we are doing a more FX style here. What happened here was I was, just hanging out and I got my throat slit. Cut? I got my throat cut. If you're gonna do this, please make sure you have your hair like all the way pulled back. I wore a headband and had my hair in a ponytail as to not get liquid latex in the hair, because it will rip your hair right out of your face slash scalp slash neck. And also safety reasons, my knife is taped up so it is not able to cut. Please don't run through your house holding a real, well, this is a real knife. Please don't run through your house holding a not safety-fied knife acting like you've slit your throat. You could really slit your throat and nobody wants that. If you guys are excited to see how I got this look, this was really fun to do. It was pretty freaking easy. It took a while because we had to wait for the latex to dry, but yeah, it was really fun to create. It was super awesome and I really had fun doing it. If you are excited for this video or any other videos in the 31 Days of Halloween series, please give this video a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I am doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers. It'll probably end up being in November if we hit it in October, because I'm pre-filming and I won't know. My Instagram is always linked down below if you guys would like to follow me. I almost always follow back. And if you recreate any fun Halloween looks out of my videos, or if you have something cool you want me to see, you can add me and tag me on there. I'll be able to see it. We could probably do it on this channel, but if you recreate it, girl, let me see. This was so much fun. And also, I'm wearing like this white bralette thing that was on clearance at Walmart for like $2. This will stain this bralette, but I never wear white, so it's fine with me. You could spin this several different ways, but I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get into the video, guys. So we're gonna start off by doing any regular face you want to. I'm just adding some primer, and then we're gonna do foundation and like the whole shebang. Now it's time to add some concealer. I'm just putting it on like regular and doing a full face of makeup. If you wanted to, you could do a more gory version and like a super dark smoky eye and like splatter blood up onto your face. It's whatever you want to do. Now we're gonna cover up our beautiful little white bralette with a towel so we can apply some translucent powder to our face and set everything down. I quickly applied my eyebrows off camera, and now we're going to do a quick little smoky eye. I'm using the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette. You can use whatever you want to. I just wanted something super orangey and fall colored. Now to the fun part, I'm taking some cotton balls and liquid latex. I'm just pouring mine out onto a paper plate and using the spatula I bought in a 3-pack at the Dollar Tree. We're gonna start to make our shape a little bit. I'm pretty much making like a Joker shaped smile shape on my neck. I don't know. It's more of a watch than me explain it. Make your shape, lay down latex first, and then rip up a cotton ball and lay over the latex. Once I get my shape built up, I fill in the inside with a little bit of latex and cotton overlapping. I made a big mistake and continued to layer mine while it was still a little bit wet and then tried to dry it. I definitely recommend using smaller, thinner layers and letting them dry fully in between so you're not waiting forever for it to dry. The main thing is to continue building up and building up, latex, cotton, and then until you're ready, and then you're going to let it dry. I ended up taking a blower dryer to mine. This is where you want to be super, super careful. I recommend you not using scissors, but that's what I had going on. I'm just pulling my latex out with my hand and then sticking my scissor dull side first into the latex and pulling it up and slightly cutting it. This is going to give a better appearance of an actual cut throat. Now I'm kind of pulling apart, like down and upward, kind of rolling it back a little bit to make it look deeper. So freaking creepy. And then I decided this wasn't as thick as I wanted it to be, so I continued to build up latex and cotton until I was happy and then let it dry again. Once you come back and your latex is completely dried down, I'm just going over it with some translucent powder. This is going to take the tackiness out of your latex so you can lay stuff on top of it and that actually adhere to it better. I'm covering up where I put my prosthetic and built it up with my foundation, same shade that's on my face, and you just want to add this over it so it's more skin tone colored and blends a little bit better. Doesn't have to match completely because we're going to be covering it up. This just helps. And of course, we can't have foundation without setting it down with the same translucent powder. Taking any cream paint, you can use eyeshadows if you'd rather. I'm taking a mix of red and black and filling in the center of my throat. Cut? I don't know what you'd call it. I'm painting it all black and then layering black. I'm painting it all red and then layering black over it, then layering red again. I end up covering the entire prosthetic and not just the open part in the center. Now for the super fun part, I'm taking a mix of scab blood, regular fake blood, and zombie blood spray. I purchased all of that and my liquid latex from Walmart, super, super cheap. I'm using one of these spatulas from the Dollar Tree to get my scab blood out and drop it in. The thing about my scab blood is it starts pretty thick but still runny, and as it dries it gets all gross and scabby, so you want to apply enough that you know it's going to end up gross and clumpy when it's dry. I'm kind of dripping mine everywhere, and then I'm taking the regular fake blood on a sponge with some holes cut into it to give it texture. Applying this further away, you want the darkest, grossest, clumpiest part to be around the cut, and then make it runnier the farther out you go. The spray was super fun, but you want to be careful if you're inside. I recommend laying down a towel or something around you so you don't destroy everything. Now I'm just taking a cut up sponge with some more holes and texture in it and flopping that all over my face and neck and down into my chest a little bit. I'm keeping my hair pulled back with a headband and a ponytail to make sure I don't get blood and liquid latex in my hair. It will rip it out, girl. I applied some fake blood onto my hand to kind of make fingerprint smears, and it didn't work out in my favor. You just want to build up your blood and grossness until you're happy, and that's pretty much the whole look. It was super simple. I really like this spray blood, and the scab blood's probably my absolute favorite. So this is what it looks like completely done, and make sure you tape your knife up for safety if you're using a real knife and not a prop knife. And that is it for this look, guys. Super, super simple. Do we love this? I freaking love it. I feel like I say the same thing in every intro and every outro, but this was so much fun to create, and it was, don't get blood in the hair, girl. It was really, really fun to do. It was super easy to do. If I can figure out how to work with liquid latex and cotton, you guys can too. Please, please, please tag me on Instagram. It's always linked down below if you recreate or have any fun Halloween looks that you guys want me to see. And this was so much fun! I'm having way too much fun doing 31 days of Halloween. I wish it was Halloween all year long. This is so cool. So, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more spooky shit all 31 days of October, and I will see you guys all tomorrow.